Turkeys, the centerpiece of many a Thanksgiving feast. But did you know these birds aren't just for the dinner table? Originating from Central and North America, turkeys are fascinating creatures. Wild turkeys, despite their size, can actually take to the skies, flying short distances of up to a quarter mile at speeds of 40 to 55 miles per hour. Generally speaking, two types of turkeys are found in North America. They are the wild turkey, Meleagris gallopavo, and the domestic turkey, Meleagris gallopavo domesticus. These two creatures come from the same genus and species, but the domestic turkeys are subspecies bred so that humans can eat them. However, as domestic turkeys grow, their increased mass strips them of this airborne ability. Other sizable birds, like the Cory bustard and trumpeter swan, also defy gravity despite their weight. The common perception of a turkey is a large fowl with broad, fan-shaped tail plumage and a wattle. It's no wonder people wonder whether turkeys can fly, since their bodies don't look very aerodynamic, even wild ones. Not all turkeys are alike though. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more such content.